Today I would like to take you to the charming village of Port Barton, a hidden gem of the stunning Palawan island. Known as one of the most laid-back places on the island, Port Barton offers an experience far different from commercial tourist hotspots and attracts those looking for tranquility away from crowded resorts. Pristine beauty that has not yet been spoiled by an excessive number of tourists. Vibrant coral reefs, secluded castaway beaches, and crystal clear waters. Pristine landscapes with little islands where you can feel like a castaway. All this makes this place perfect for peace and relaxation, where you can truly unplug, reconnect with nature, and have the best vacation of your life. In this episode, I'll show you the most beautiful places around Port Barton that we visited during one of our island hopping tour. Welcome everyone in Port Barton in Philippines, Palawan Island. Beautiful location, and we're gonna be staying here for a couple of days, and we're gonna try enjoy as much as we can. Today the plan is to do island hopping tour, which is the most popular attraction here. So 9 o'clock we're gonna go and do island hopping tour around nearby islands. These boats are ready to take tourists for island hopping tour, and we're gonna use one of these today on our trip. We see our boat is the yellow one, so we're gonna be going on this boat today, and all the group is gathering in front under the palms. We are ready to get on board. Come on. Vamos. We are choosing our boat by accident, or rather its tour guide finds us lazing around on the beach. And it turns out to be a great decision, because Chuck is the best tour operator in the whole area. And the people we meet on the boat are the best possible. We haven't had so much fun in a while. So the first stop, we're going to the Sandbar. It's around 5 minutes from Port Barton. As the rainy season is approaching, we are lucky to take the tour and enjoy the beautiful weather. Today is very hot and sunny, the humidity is very high and the skin is still sticky. We are even happier when it turns out that the following days will bring a lot of clouds and some rain. And the day we are taking the tour is the only day we can actually enjoy that much sun. Just look at the water, so transparent.
You can find starfish. It can be really red, you know. Yeah, you still get burnt.
Woo! So we arrived on the Sandbar. Hopefully we can spot some starfish. Baby's coming. There's supposed to be some starfish around, so let's spot some. In the middle of nowhere, Sandbar Island, Port Barton. That's the snorkeling spot, Tween Reef. Let's look at the water.
Yeah, the most beautiful reef here. Just swim around, just swim from here to there. Just follow the drop off, and then here, yeah, you can see everything like different kind of corals, and then fishes. We have a lot of fishes like Nemos. We have a lot of Nemos here. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna stay here for like 30 minutes again.
Let's jump
Then,
in.
Yeah, we're moving. Okay, we can go.
Another snorkeling location, but with a little bit different type of corals.
Yeah, you can see like the table corals and then the flower corals. Like, yeah,
All
there's a
right.
lot here, and then blue starfish as well.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, very clean water, transparent. It's beautiful.
That's what he just said.
After around an hour and 2 snorkeling sessions, we set off on a short journey to a paradise island. We passed beautiful, untouched and pristine islets. Everywhere we were surrounded by stunning natural beauty and crystal clear waters. Additionally, a local tanguay room with pineapple juice offered by the crew makes the atmosphere truly joyful. Island in front, very beautiful. And two dogs welcome us. Hello dogs! The owner of the island.
Yeah, he's the owner.
And this is another owner of the island. Paradise Island, Port Barton. This place is unreal. Being alone with the nature was the reason why we came here. You can feel like you are on a desert island. Let's enjoy these views that always make me think that the world we live in can't be a coincidence. Sometimes it is just too beautiful for that. After having a great lunch, we are full of energy and ready for another adventure. Let's see if the next place will be even more beautiful than this one. We live in Paradise Island behind, beautiful place. Our tour guide, Chalk, woo, the best tour guide in the area.
Thank you.
In the Port Barton. That's exotic island on the right side.
Exotic.
This is exotic.
Yeah, this is Maxima.
What's the name?
Maxima Island.
Maxima Island. Maxima Island on the left, exotic on the right. And we're gonna stop in the middle. Beautiful spot.
And then this is the turtle spot on the Nido.
It's a deep one, yeah?
Yeah, the turtle spot.
The turtle spot?
Yeah.
Nice one. Hopefully we spot some turtles. They already spotted some turtles, let's see. We are both great nature lovers, and swimming with turtles and seeing them in their natural habitat is an experience which we'll never forget. After a short ride, we are getting to the last place of the day, Pamuayan Beach, and as it gets late the weather changes and more clouds appear, but this is how it is on a tropical island. Ooh. So we arrived to Pamuayan Beach, last location during this tour. We're gonna be staying here around 1 hour, getting beer and enjoying the weather. Ooh, the storm is out there. Such a peaceful place. There's nobody on this beach. Basically the whole beach is for us. There's a low tide now. It's just one boat, ours. The whole beach for us. Despite a few clouds, this beach looks spectacular. A long stretch of powder white sand and endless coconut trees create a stunning tropical landscape, and the lack of people in the area make it perfect place to relax and enjoy the last moments of the tour. Let's enjoy it then, because there is no words to describe the beauty of this spot. That's it from the beach, that's it from the tour. Now we're coming back to Port Barton. The tour was amazing, I really enjoyed this, and all those places were amazing. I'm really impressed with the weather, with this natural beauty here, and I'm really glad I saw turtles. Beautiful place, really. All right. That's our crew. We need to get to the boat, and then there is just Port Barton over there, very close.